Ay, naka-random sila. Ano ba yun?
Yung starting team.
Madam, palipat naman ako sa ano.
Ay, tama lang. Okay na, nalipat ko na.
Face the light.
First time ko makikita mag-grip stroke si Kenshin, ah.
Ako din ba? O ako din. Pero maganda yung ginawa ng
Hindi ko
Dime
naman kaya niya namang hanapan yan.
Okay, yan. Basic lang naman yun.
So, sino sa tingin nyo yung lamang sa draft?
Sa draft yung for me lang, like na draft ng Dire yung Radiant sa mind games.
Dire? Sino ba Dire dito?
Akin early game wise, Radiant ako.
Early game wise,
Kung early
sa
game.
Dire ako
Oo,
early game. Sa Dire ako early game. Like medyo passive pa kasi yung Morph Tinker at saka Doom.
Isa bagay, kasi nga yung support din nila.
Kasi,
So, kung nasa si Beast dun yung bola.
doon yung laro ko sa yun yung early game talaga na crucial ng Dire.
Kali magiging slow game para sa kuponan ni Choi to. Early.
Yun pala yung Radiant pati yung Dire.
Tinker. Yung Doom medyo passive ko to sa lane unless makakuha siya ng neutral na maganda, parang ganun.
Meron man
His levels din, ganun. Yung Beast, gago, level 1, level 2, level 3, ganun. Agro na yun masyado yung ganun.
Okay, para sa side ng Radiant,
Unless they have...
Bambini with the Grimstroke, Joey Morphling, Doom Kamikaze, Pops with the Nyx Assassin, and Jade with the Tinker. Pakilala mo nga alin ang side ng Dire.
Si Kawots. Anyway, nakita naman natin yung Dire, kilala naman natin yung Dire, galing sila sa past 2 games, sila Lala, ganyan. Alam niyo na yan, matanda na kayo. Ba't nag-post? Guys? Ano meron?
Magre-record niya ito si
Kenshin.
9 minutes.
Yun nga talaga, Erwin, yung threat talaga ng early game ng Dire, mag-run down to sa sa Beast. Dapat sabayan. Yung early game nagde-depend sa Beast nila. Tapos to hold the early game man lang, dapat they have to at least compensate their early timing by stacking, of course, sa Tinker. And at least na malagaan to si Choi ng mga surprise gangs, ganyan. Hindi naman to, mamamatay agad itong Morphling.
Tama ka dyan, Alec. Kasi nga, knowing na itong early ng pupunan ni Choi, medyo mabagal.
Medyo
so,
awkward nga.
Ang gagawin, ma-maximize dapat ng Dire.
Actually,
yung opportunity na yun.
Tatlong core talaga ang kailangan ng levels eh. Itong Doom, medyo mahina to pag walang levels. Same case sa Tinker tsaka Morphling. So, in order to compensate sa early nga ng timing nila, at least they have to stack for Tinker talaga. And ang potential kasi ng Dire din to contest stacks, wala naman talaga eh. Kasi syempre, number 1 yung
Kuya Allen.
Unito na.
Nagtatagpo na sila dito.
Ano pong follow-up nila? Binablock ng Void Spirit yung Tinker just to kill the attempt sa Tinker. Pero grabe yung Tinker. Man, kuno yung third. Very unusual level 1 sa Tinker galing sa... Oh my god, yung Tinker na level 1 skill. Very unusual. Pero mamamatay pa din yung Radiant. Guys, 2 down na sa Radiant. 3, make it 3. Just for the Gyro na support. Pero very unusual nakikita natin sa Tinker. Will that destroy his lane? I think for sure that will destroy his lane kasi napilitan siyang kumuha ng defense matrix. Oh, no. For me lang, very worth na lang na nag-turn sila like with something or other spells instead of matrix. Kasi number 1, wala nang regen yung Tinker sa pag-lane. And number 2, madedelay yung parang point niya for the stacks. Kasi minsan, usually, 2-3-0 yung skill ng Tinker, di ba? He will get the 3 March. Pero with Defense Matrix as level 1, gagawin niya atang level 1 lang yung laser, no? But it's not bad. The bad thing lang talaga is Void Spirit pa yung nakakuha ng, like 2 of the 3 kills ng Radiant. Which is very awkward sa Radiant. Pero actually,
Good start para sa kanila yun.
Yung natin actually, is a safe lane. Kasi kanina, before the game like discontinued, si Lala nakita ko na gyro eh. Kala nila magso-support yung gyro. Pero at this time, ginawa nilang safe lane na yung gyro. And they made the Void Spirit na mid. Grabe oh. Hindi ba ang ano, parang surprise naman yun. Parang mind games talaga nila.
Puno ng saging with the mind games.
Yung mga-
At ito, nasa-shackle siya dito. Si Morphling natin, si Joy. At Joy, makakatama siya.
There will be no attempt sa first blood. TP na po yung Dawn. And let's see the laning stage. Ito sa mid natin, Erwin, sino bang tingin mo ang parang pabor dito?
Sa
You
tingin
should
ko,
ano,
medyo
You should include the fact na level 1 na Matrix na yun.
tingin ko lamang na dito si si Asuka, knowing na magkakabattle na siya agad.
Yes.
Pero we'll see kasi medyo maaga pa naman.
Pero defense Matrix will do the job just to delay the damage. Not bad, not bad. Naunang level 2 lang yung Void Spirit. Yung mga kill attempts dito sa sidelines, wala naman. Medyo passive tong medyo passive tong bot lane na nakikita natin kasi very slow aggro ng talaga eh. Ng boar to the morph na aggressiveness. Okay, trivia tayo. Yung boar po ng Beastmaster hindi nang aggro ng creeps. Trivia. Kaya ina-abuse to minsan yung boar, ini-hit lang yung parang tina-target lang yung hero tapos yung creeps hindi nadadala ng aggro. Ganun. Anyway, nakita po natin yung mid lane. May laser na nga. Okay. Nakabog-bote na pa. Wala pa pong bote pero compared sa Void Spirit may dumating na bote. And minute 2 will start to pop na. Pag Remnant po, oh no, solo
JD,
kill yung Void
mamatay
Spirit.
siya. Solo kill.
Tumama po yung Remnant.
Medyo
No, hindi po nakapag-react yung Tinker with this very
Mo-
far and
Morphling dito,
will
namatay,
die very unexpectedly. Ba't siya namatay? Na-burst ba siya? I did not expect Morphling to die at this early of this this early stage ng game. Anyway, Remnant po to, let's say, disrupt the movement of Tinker. Tapos, makukuha niya ba yung dalawang roots? And the pause will happen. Ano naman po ang nangyari? Nag-guide yun sa babe. Sarap ng rason. Grabe ka, Dwi. Okay.
lalagay daw ng juice sa vape. Kuya, late, kailangan daw natin yan pampa vitamins.
Solid ng rason, no?
Pero mid lane dito,
By
Asuka.
buff.
Naka-bracer na siya.
Very disastrous kasi yung nangyari level 1, men. I would rather die with laser or march talaga at level 1 kaysa defense matrix. Kasi level 1, very crucial yung first wave eh. Need mo yung laser, number 1, to contest denies, contest last hits. Diba? Hindi niya nagawa kanina. Kasi matrix nga siya. And kita naman natin yung resulta. Very punishable na. Very punished na yung Tinker. 1-1-1. No?
Pero knowing na experienced player naman si Chuy, makikita natin kung paano bang diskarte ang gagawin nila dito as we progress into the game.
Safe na ngayon Nixo just to secure the
Mid lane.
water sa top lane. And I think Tinker will try to replenish his bottle. Pero no ID, no entry yung Remnant po. Hindi nakadaan yung Tinker kasi may no ID, no entry. Pero yung Nyx, maabot pa yung stun ng Nyx. Umabot nga pero there is no mana to follow up. Wala na pong resources yung Nyx. Tsaka yung Tinker, medyo awkward na yung mga spells niya. Lotus, tingnan natin yung minute 3, magkocontest pa yung both lane sa Lotus nila or madugo yung baba guys, magkocontest na Shackles pero Grimstroke will try to buff the Morphling with his stun pero ang nangyari is Beastmaster lane na tumaan pero ang lakas
Medyo low na.
hindi naman
Joey
up
goes
ng
down
Beast.
once again.
Kasama yung dalawang pigolak.
Heal para kay Nuko.
Ang daya doy 4v2 doy, dalawa lang sila tapos dalawa silang hero, may dalawang pigolak. Ang daya doy. Oh no. I did not expect to yung Morphling na ganito ma-punish ganitong early talaga. Anyway, mako-commit po yung Dire sa top lane pero hindi ba magko-commit. Na-stun po yung Gyro pero ano pong follow-up nila? Wala pong follow-up, wala pong mga spells. Yung Nyx may nag-mind flare po pero it will be enough, just enough to get the XP. Nauna pong XP yung Nyx. Namatay po second yung Nyx. Nauna po yung Gyro nakapag-XP. Very worth the trade, very worth the trade. Pero nakita po
Dito,
natin
mid
yung
lane.
mid lane na March level.
Pinaharas-haras, pinabarag-barag ng CJ dito, ah.
Remnant will be used and the Dissimilate will be used just to deal the damage sa Tinker. Pero Stun will connect ng galing sa Nyx. Pero ano pong follow-up nila? 2 seconds po for the laser, but the barrier from the Void Spirit will delay. Or let's say, mawawala po yung threat ng death niya.
Ito nga yung napag-usapan natin no, Kuya Aled, no, early pa lang talagang mahihirapan talaga ang kuha ni Choi. Gawa nga ng yung dalawang supports nila ay hindi ganun
kalakas ganitong early. They need level.
merong,
And
oo,
actually, Erwin, ay ngayon ko lang napansin is very pilit yung Grimstroke na pick. And we can see that Grimstroke will be shackled and madami siyang Pigrolak doon. May Pigrolak na nga, may ibong Adarna pa. Ang dami nangyayari sa baba, men. Madami siyang alaga. Paano to? Anong masasagot ng Waterboy? Wala, doy. Oh, no. Gago, doy. Sobrang dominant na ng Beast. And of course, we expected that kasi nga, dominance nga talaga ang the play of the Beast. Pero makita po natin, the 6 po yung Void Spirit just to jump and threat the Tinker. Mag-aate pa siya. Mamamatay ba? Tinker will live with 1 HP. Matatamaan ba yung Remnant? Hindi natamaan yung Skull. ID. Wala pang ID yung Tinker. Pero ba't dito mama? Ba't yung dito malab? Pero yung Grimstroke po. Third niya po. Pero ba't niya kinancel lang agad-agad? Wala pong damage yung masyado. Pero hindi po mamamatay yung Void Spirit. Mabubuhay po. TPing. Pero great. No. Grimstroke. Yes. It. No.
Aray ko, Azar.
Ginawa niya.
No, napakamalas doy. Ang malas doy. Lasit na nga
so
lang
dito,
yun.
binabarag-barag siya dito.
Nakita pa natin yung
Lower
water
na
point.
naman,
Diba
Joey.
yung water point?
Pilit
Water boy will go
makaka-wave out siya.
He will shift to agility just to reset. Pero tingnan natin kung magta-turn pa yung Morphling. Grimstroke will be there. Nyx will be there. Pero saan yung Chase? Sana yung Chase? Wala po silang mga spells. Walang resources. Doy, ang lakas ng Beast. Doy, grabe ang dominance niya. Speaking of dominance, parating na po yung Helm of Dominator niya. Pero magta-turn pa yung Nyx. Nyx will be Inkswell, pero hindi makukunik yung Inkswell. Will Beast turn the game? Will Beast turn the fight? May mga boar pa siya. May ibang Adarna na siya. Cooldown. Nandiyan na pa. Ang Dawn will connect his Starbreaker. Dalawa. Sa tatlo. Oh no, triple stun. But Nyx will die in the end. Ang tigas po ng Beast. Beast namatay po. Na-cash out po ng Waterboy. But will Grimstroke die? Will Grimstroke die? Na-change po nila. Tinapunan ng martilyo ni Thor. Pero namatay po ang Nyx. But Shaman will give his life just to let the Dawn exit. Grabe, doy.
Ganda. Quality casting.
Gago, doy. What ilang? Mga 1 minute yun na fight, doy. Tungin
Boy, nag-water break.
1 minute na fight yun. Ba't nandun mga tropahan? Ang dami nila. Gogo. Ay lang yun. Grabe, men. Grabe yung dominance ng Beast, men. May dominance na nga sa lane. May dominator pa. Grabe, wala na to eh.
7
no.
minutes.
Nasa kanya na,
Doggy.
suot niya na yung helmet.
Pero ito,
Oo, 7
the
minutes.
crucial,
So,
the crucial
7 minutes,
missing
Tommy.
link of Radiant Erwin. Sabi ko sa kanila, sabi ko sa'yo, I warned the Radiant na pag hindi nila nanalo yung early game, which is of course, halata naman, they should have stacked for the Tinker, which is hindi nila nangyari. Pero mapapasok po yung Doom. Doom papasok po sa Gyro. Level 6 po yung Gyro, magta-turn pa yung Gyro.
Philippine,
Pero Gyro will not have the spells, but he
Pero
will have the
Gyro is
Rocket
fake.
Garage. Low po ang lahat. Ano to? Mag-clean up ang ng Gyro. The Inkswell will not
Bini,
hit. Pero
eto na, Gunbreaker with the ulti.
to support the Gyro. And
Wait,
Doom will die. Oh no. Next stun will connect just to finish the Gyro. Pero, oh no. Just because of that fight, walang follow-up yung Morph sa lane. And he got solo killed by the Beast Master. With his dominance, his presence, and his Helm of Dominator. Grabe. Wala na tuloy. Sobrang hirap na
8
i-comeback.
minutes into the game, 18 kills in favor of Dire.
Grabe.
Puno
Alam
na
mo ba yung
saging is
comeback
doing
namin?
it as of the moment. At
ng
ito,
Morphling Erwin, sobrang hirap. Kasi first
Oo.
waveform lang yung parang AoE niya, tapos mostly single target lang siya. Grabe, men. Nakita mo yung dominance ng Beast, oh. Grabe, level 4 na Call of the Wild na boar. And he will just run down to any hero. He can contest any hero.
Makikita pa kaya natin yung comeback ng opponent ni Choi?
Ang hirap, Erwin. Sobrang hirap nito. Pero we can see that Void Spirit will dive in sa Nyx. Tapos Nyx will be obliterated by the spells of Radiant. Yung Shaman Ward po nilagay po sa tier 1 and tier 1 will be destroyed easily without no sweat. Without no sweat? Mali ang grammar Without sweat. Pero nakita po natin na mag-aggro pa din yung Void Spirit. Yung Shaman nakapag-ward po sa... Oh no! Nakapag-ward po sa triangle but they don't have stacks. So it will be useless. Nonetheless, tingnan natin kung magdo-dominate pa ba yung Beast or magja-jungle na lang ba siya. O hihanting niya yung Morphling ulit. Kasi may rare na siya ulit eh. They have to move with their spells na on cooldown. With their cooldowns. May Dawn ult naman. Yan, Dawn ult. Na-hex po yung Nyx pero what will they do? Okay, the Grimstroke will be ready. Grimstroke naka-ready po sa mga potential na mga fights that will happen. And minute 10, tingnan po natin kung sino makakuha ng runes.
Morphling
The
dito,
rune
Morphling.
will be at bot. Pero yung Morphling, gabi, no. Ano bang meron sa Morphling? Anyway, na-shackle po yung Doom, and Doom cannot move, man. He will be the man who can't be moved. Kasi na-follow up po ng Remnant ng Void Spirit. Void Spirit pumatok po. Yung Grimstroke, nag-third po, pero Spirit is used. Ang ano nangyayari, man, yung Dawn all just to clean up and support the kill attempt sa Tinker. And Tinker will die. Ang daming resources ng
Very one-sided game dito.
Sobrang one-sided.
Kita-kita natin, sobrang struggle ang Radiant.
Sobrang early dominance. Yan yung problema ng Radiant. Kasi they should have an answer for the early dominance which wala tayong nakita. Nakita po natin yung Void Spirit nag-attempt po ulit sa Nyx. Yung Nyx po lagi namamatay. Rocket Barrage. Tinatamaan yung Grimstroke. Level 6 po. Anong gagawin niya? Wala siyang ulti. Hindi niya nilipag yung ulti. Pero Morphling will TP there just to farm. Yes! Just to farm the Shaman Ward, doy. Mamatay ba yung Morphling? Ay, pumasok po yung Void Spirit and Aether Realm that will hit the Morphling. Pero Morphling nakapag-shift po to strength. Tingnan yung Dumi, men. Yung Beastmaster natin, doy. Wala na to magawa. Kahit puntahan nyo to, men. Isang rare lang kayo. Anyway, isang rare lang kayo. No! Disaster yung defense matrix na pag and rare will be used sa Tinker.
Pero medyo isolated siya dito,
Nagre-ream po yung Tinker and Tinker will survive. Yung Void Spirit po, papasok po yung Soulbind po, tumama po, pero will that connect the spells? Wala po. Yung Nyx po nakapag-ult just to scout
Nyx
the
lurking around pero may sentry.
Yan po natin kung mag-attempt pa ba to kasi nagsascout na yung Nyx. But they will have no Doom. Wala pong Doom and the Dire will be there completely fine. They wasted. Very good attempt for the Nyx just to disrupt the
Ito, Gyro. Medyo delikado si Gyro dito.
No, hindi niya po
Hindi niya pinalo.
Oh no,
This is a disaster para sa side, para kay PUBG. PUBG, alanganin siya dito. At PUBG, next na. Patay niya ba?
Faster
At hindi na nakasakal siya.
Bad execution, they should have the
Very
chance.
misplay para
Gago, they should have the chance na
by
lang
PUBG.
sana na magka-redeem na comeback is real, but they fuck it up. No, yun na sana yung turning point, doy. Naka-DD na, naka-vendetta ka pa. The dream hit, the dream tuka. Pero hindi lang naman natuka. Nandun na, yung alam mong nandun na pero malayo pa din.
Hindi, pawala na siguro yun.
Wala na, okay. Sayang. Doon yung first pick.
Pero nag-tinker pa rin sila.
Very comfortable nila na pick siguro to ba. Anyway, nakita po natin na may cooldowns po yung dahil mag-attempt pa sila ng tier 1 tower kasi may Shaman Ward po. Ready po yung Big Daddy Snake ng Shaman. Mag-attempt pa defend yung Tinker, mag-attempt ka. Will he defend? No, he will farm the triangle. Pero ang triangle po, wala. Kalbo po, walang laman yung triangle. Oh no, where will they farm?
Walang naman ng ancient camp dito
Yung skill
Ng
build kasi
component
So, kaya yata may action na lang yung
Medyo
Oh, yung first kill sana. Pero yun kasi yung laning stage kasi nila Panda. Medyo awkward kasi hindi nga melee kasi yung ano yung more playing. Pero Void Spirit will go in.
Nag-dive na dito Void
Just
Spirit.
just to delay their attempt. Pero Nyx will eventually die sa attempt nila. And the Dire will take the wisdom of the Radiant. Oh no. Hindi po sila ready to eh. The Radiant will have their spells ready. They have the Doom. They have the Nyx ult. They have the Soulbind, but the Soulbind was used. Pero ang Void Spirit, papasok po 1 second and he will use his step. No Shaman will do the trick and last hit. The Grim
Sabi nga
Stroke.
din, without no sweat.
Oh no.
Di ba?
And they will use the Shaman Ward with the Overlord just to destroy the tier 2 tower easily. No sweat. Without no sweat. Oh no, disastrous game guys. And don't ult will be used sa mid. Mamamatay pa yung Doom. Mamamatay yung Doom without casting his Doom. No, grabe yung snowball din, men. Ang snowball din masyado yung fight, men. They can't breathe. Ano magagawa ng Morplay? Ano magagawa ng Waterboy? Wala. And Nyx will be hexed. Na-shackle po yung Nyx. He will not have the chance to be safe anymore. But no. I was wrong. Napakamarapis po siya. Tapos nakapag-ulti just to exit. Oh no, I was wrong. Pero will that delay their attempts kasi ginamit defensively yung Vendetta. But no. He will tuka. Kinagat po yung beast but the beast will not be damaged enough. Pero double doom. Na-doom po yung golem. Na-doom po yung beast. Ano pa mangyayari? Mamamatay po yung shaman. Ng gandang follow-up ng Radiant.
Pero si Bambabini na doon.
Ang ganda pero gago. The Starbreaker will connect sa Doom. Yung Doom medyo low na vessel po and he will die. Void Spirit is godlike na po mga ma'am sir. What will they do? They need to cash out the Void Spirit and they will attempt sa Dawnbreaker na support and the Phantom Embrace is 3 HP. 3 hits po para matagal. Pero yung Nyx po mamamatay lang nang walang problema. The Morph will replicate ng Void Spirit pero wala silang stun to cancel the TP. No.
Item check daw tayo.
Used. Hindi po na
16 minutes into the game.
Even though namatay sila sa top lane ng Dire, sa kanila pa din yung game. Sobrang dominant, men. Sobrang sa kanila talaga yung side ng game. Kasi imagine, sila na yung yung apat ang nag-aagro, nagsusnowball. Meanwhile, yung Gyro nagpa-farm lang all that time just to secure their late game. And ang Morph nagsa-struggle na just to fight back. What can they do, Erwin? Ano bang kailangan nilang gawin? Ano bang winning condition ng Radiant? Alam mo ba?
Tingin ko kailangan ng Morphling pick up ng kills, lalong-lalo na yung Void Spirit.
Pero mahirap pa to.
Para
Mahirap.
kahit-
The Morphling needs
Mahihirapan talaga sila.
more items. Oo. Kasi matagal pa yung manta niya. And Void Spirit has the vessel online. Wala pa siyang pang-dispel. Pero nakita po natin yung Nyx nag-attempt po itong Vendetta but they will see the Nyx attempt. Nakita po, may third eye po. May third eye po yung Shaman. Eh nakita po nila nilang bumarch. Okay. Hindi po nila nakita yung Tinker. Na Tinker naka-triple out po. Pero yung Beast with his Overlord talaga and his drums. Grabe yung potential man to clean up tier 2 towers just that easily. And the supports of Radiant cannot do anything against this Beastmaster Overlord.
So take note Kuya Allen, meron pang snake yan ha.
Yes.
Kaya nila basagin ng T3.
Ang potential na kalbuhin yung rocks or yung mga siege tower ng Radiant, malakas talaga. And speaking of Shaman Ward, he will not use the Shaman Ward unless they will go high ground. Pero Volume Stroke will die sa attempt ng Dare talaga, man. Ito na, speaking of Shaman Ward, will he put his big will he put his big?
Yung
Hindi po
sawa,
ilalagay.
ilalapag na ba yung sawa?
Yun, ilalapag na ba yung
Saan
sawa?
nila ilalagay yan?
Malaking sawa. Boom! Lumabas yung malaking sawa, min. But
Okay, sa bottom nila pa, guys.
Try to defend the Overlord powered ancient Shaman Ward big thing. But Void Spirit, pumasok pa yung Void Spirit and Aether Realm will connect sa top pero no! Morphling will be bursted, knocked by the Void Spirit spells. What can they do? Pero Doom pumasok po yung Doom and he Doom Double Doom po yung Gyro Shaman but he cannot do anything sa follow-up. Na-Doom sila pero anong magagawa ng Doom? Level 1 lang yung Doom. Naka-vanguard pa yung Doom. Anong mangyayari dyan? Nag-Doom ult just to heal them. Parang wala lang. And Gyro will use his ult. Parang wala lang. Just to show their dominance. And Void Spirit pumasok po and Grimstroke will die with just 2 spells of the Void Spirit. And they will get the melee and range racks. No sweat. They will try to cover their exit pero will they chase? Will the Radiant chase? I think they will not chase kasi wala na silang spells. Napaka-disastrous. Disaster after disaster. Walang bawi po. Very clean execution coming from the Dire. Wala pong namamatay. Ganda. Sobrang lakas.
Wala ako nakikita ang sagot ng Radiant dito. Iba na
Is
ni
this
Joey
the
medyo...
finals form? Is this the champion form of puno ng saging? Ano ba mas malakas? Bisaya o puno ng saging? Hindi ba pwedeng Bisaya ang magdo-dominate dyan? Anyway, tingnan natin kung mag-attempt po yung Void Spirit sa Morphling and he will attempt so and he will indeed so attempt sa Morph pero yung Morph nakapag-Morph po to strength and he will not die that easily. Nakuha po yung Arcane ng Grimstone yung Arcane. And Void Spirit will be angry. Ba't mo kinuha yung Arcane mo? Papatayin kita. Tiyan mo, mag-attempt na po. Pero na-silence mo yung Void Spirit. And the Void Spirit will not move. No, he will not move. He will not move. Na-change stand po siya.
Nakashout siya ng
Lahat
Tinker.
ng self-raged. No,
Nakashout siya ng Tinker.
Morphling po will try to chase, but Morphling will have no spells. And Terrell not would connect the Dawn, and Dawnbreaker will
Oh
die.
my god.
Oh my god.
Will this be another PTSD
Beautiful
from the
things.
Tinker?
No, dapat nag-relax kasi yung Void Spirit. Nagalit siya, men. Ang nakita ko doon, yung emotion ng Void Spirit, men, nagalit siya kasi kinuha ni Grimstroke yung Arcane niya. Kaya napag-commit siya. Sabi niya, ba't mo kinuha yung Arcane ko, men?
Oh, may matotrauma sa Tinker ah.
Grabe. Ba't mo kasi hinabol? Ay, wag na lang. Men, yung emosyon ng Void Spirit, nadali siya sa emosyon niya, men. Porket nakuha lang ng Grimstroke yung Arcane niya, kukumit na siya. And of course, resulting to his death, ang daming chain stand, doy. Very good execution coming from the Radiant. And Nyx will pop a smoke just to kill a courier. Gandang play, doy. Popping a smoke just to kill a courier. No, they are wasting their resources pero Beastmaster will use Roar sa Morphling pero nakapag-morph po yung Morphling but it is not enough. The Morphling will die even when it's shifting. No. Oh, no.
Joy, binabawian ng puno ng
Kako,
saging.
men. Yung nasana yung comeback nila, men. That was their only chance. Oh no, and Dar will take the Roshan easily without contest.
Among Us talaga to si ano? Nobu?
No. Oh no. And they will reveal their final form with the Gyro. Ito na, mag-high ground na sila with Gyro.
Gyro BKB, Gyro Aegis.
No. Oh, this is disasters. What can they
Pero
do?
kaya yan, no? Ma-execute lang nila yung ano, Soulbind, Doom.
But here's the thing. Pag na-execute nila, men, paano sila magka-catch? Paano sila magko-commit? Sino magpa-front? Ang daming spells ng Dire na ano kung sino naka-front. Anyway, nag-clash mo sa fight. Nag-clash mo sa bot. Pero yung Doom nakapag-exit ba? Nakapag-exit nga. Pero no, they will still catch the Doom without... No, Doom will use the Doom on the Soulbind ng mga target.
Nice.
But it will be deleted agad.
Good
Wala
trade,
na po
if
yung Doom.
ever.
Oh no, Doom will still be alive. Grabe yung pag-commit nila, but Doom is still alive? What?
Okay, 250 gold para sa
good
Morph.
patience, man. Good patience galing sa Radiant na wag mag-overcommit. Kasi may ages pa yun eh. And
First game ba yun nila Dwayne? First game?
First game to. Makakalaro ka ba?
Hindi. May work ako eh.
potential pa to, men. Potential comeback
Mamaya,
pa to.
pag out ko.
Yung Gyro na wala na, men. Mag-chase
Kasi
pa
hindi
yung
na ako
Radiant.
abroad.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung mag-chase pa yung Radiant kasi wala na Gyro. They know the presence of the Gyro is not there na. Will they chase? Wala po. Wala pong attempt na mag-chase. Wala pong smokes. Wala pong catches. Wala pong mga blinks ready. No. And they said, sabi ng Waterboy, farm lang ako, men. Farm lang ako.
Malungkot din yung pagkakasabi.
Oh,
Malungkot
malungkot.
yung pagkakasabi.
Time lang.
Ganun yung tono.
Time lang tayo. Time lang tayo. Ayan. Yun yung tono niya, men. No.
Ags na ba yung ano, Tinker?
Oh, Ags na yung Tinker.
Ags na siya.
Basta hindi magalaw yung Tinker talaga, they will have the potential to defend the high ground. Pag hindi lang talaga magalaw yung Tinker.
Kailangan niya, mas kailangan niya Aether Dance kaysa Glimmer.
No, Nyx pop. Nyx ulti will be pop. He will use the Nyx ulti pero dash
Ice
po yung
Space?
shaman.
Ice
Instant
Space?
back from the shaman and Void
Kahit
Spirit.
na mahuli
Right,
siya.
instant
Oh,
yung
yeah,
Nyx.
Space
Pero
pa
hindi
rin.
po yata, hindi po ma-chase yung Nyx. Ang bilis ng Nyx, men. Ilang pa ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kaya pala mabilis, kago. Anyway, magka-attempt po ng high ground yung Dire with the Overlord and the
Tama pa na
Shaman
sahod, oh.
ulti in 13 seconds. Pero I think they will not have the chance to defend
Uy.
the high ground. Uy, ba't pumasok po yung ano? Eto, here's the thing. No, Tinker will be initiated and he will be hexed. Insta-defeated. Yan po yung winning condition sana nila for
We
the
lose?
high ground. But no. Paano po nakita yung Tinker? Ba't ganun po yung defense matrix? Ba't napaka-ba't siya umabante imbis na pabalik? No. At ang sabi ng Waterboy,
Kasi siya no? Sa laser.
oh, at ang sabi ng Waterboy, sige lang taste tayo guys, magpa-farm lang ako. Oh no!
Malungkot pa rin yan yung pagkakasabi.
No! Yun sana yung winning condition nila. No, but Nyx will show himself sa dagger presence ng shaman. But nandun? Ang dark kasi, man, the way sila mag-high ground, they have the jumps ready. They have the Void Spirit jump, they have the Dagger Shaman Hex jump. Ba't po sila nagde-defend without knowing na may ano sila, may ganun silang potential? Pwede sana ngayon na night time kasi hindi sila kitang-kita. But why did they waste their chance?
Megas na.
Mega na! In this early na stage ng game, mega na! What can they do? May Aegis ba yung Gyro in 1 minute? Will they finish the game? Ang sabi ni Joy, sige, farm na ako guys. Sige na, kaya pa to. Pero ano bang magagawa ng Radiant? They will only have the Tinker lasers. That is their strength. They should have the willpower to defend their Tinker. Pero yung Tinker po, speaking of Tinker, wala po mana yung Tinker. Nag-laser po siya. Pero no, po. Ano? Wow, good execution. Insta-dead po yung Void Spirit, but Gyro will still have his BKB and all his spells are ready. His resources are ready. Tinker pa pumasok just to laser the 2. But the Dire will not commit. They will not commit. Speaking of commit, nag-commit po. Sinigawan po yung Dawn. Ba't ka nandito? Pero Dawn ulti will connect just to support the Gyro. Pero Morphling, ang lakas po. Ano pong gagawin niya? No! Morphling will clean up using his Gyro form. Naflakano siya. Wala naman. Oh no! Kako, men. Na-clean up po ng Morph yung lahat. Oh no, his waveform is up in 1 second. Will he try to chase? He will try to chase indeed. Pero ano po magagawa niya pong chase? Oh no, inaaperan na ng
Kinakawa yan. Kinakawa yan.
Ano siya? Sabi niya, dito ka, may benta akong biryani. Anyway, napopok po yung wave. Anyway, napopok po yung Morphling ng mga Dawn tsaka Beastmaster. Magkukumit pa ba yung Beastmaster tsaka Dawn just to kill his Void Spirit? I mean, this Morphling. Kasi Void Spirit nandito na. Pwede nila mapatay to anytime. Gago. Gundo nung laban, men. Gundo nung laban, solid.
Ano nete?
Solid one-sided. Solid one-sided.
Oo, solid to eh.
Butterfly.
Solid to eh. Gago, ang dam.
Sa ano
Ako siya pera.
Kamorp. Pwede pa yan.
Ako siya pera to eh.
Di na to.
Ayan.
Hindi na. Hindi na ako mag-cast. Talo na pala eh.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa yan.
Kaya pa.
Level 20 na ni Morph bro.
Ito, i-predict ko yung
Dapat
movement
patay
lang
mo
na.
pag hit niya ng crit intense.
Ay, gago. Napapaos na nga ako. Ito, predict ko yung movement nila sa minute 28. Gagala tong there sa ano. Pero Nyx will be there. Good movement by the Nyx just to break their smokes and to scout the information. Place. But Void Spirit, pumasok po yung Void Spirit and Aether Remnant will connect sa Morphling. Morphling will be dead. Insta-dead. He will have no buyback because Butterfly was bought. He has no buyback. Wala na po. 0-0 na pa. And Nyx will die. I think he will not die. Aether Remnant will not connect. But anyway,
Pero,
tapos na po ang laro. Tapos na po ang ball
Soul by
game.
Doom? Soul by Doom? Hello?
Uno na soul bind po, pero will the lasers be effective? No, it will not be effective. If it will not be enough. Oh, no. Hindi po enough po yung laser combo nila. And I think it's a GG. It's a GG, guys. Grabe yung threat, men. Grabe yung threat ng early nila, men. Yung dominance talaga ng early. Yun talaga yung ano nila. Ito yung parang key factor ng team na to, itong puno ng saging. Sobrang early, men. Nag-harvest na ng mga saging. Grabe, men. Sobrang early pa na to. Nagra-rundown na sila. Lakas nila mag-random.
Oh, aray ko.
Ito talaga yung key factor, men, ng puno